Welcome back. Let's do example 4. The first three terms of an arithmetic sequence are 2x plus 1, 3x plus 1, then 6x minus 5. Determine the value of x. What do we know about arithmetic sequences? Remember, we discussed this when we introduced the topic. We say that t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2 is equal to, you can go on like that till we say is equal to tn minus 1. Okay, we're answering A here, right? So our t2 is 3x plus 1, and then t1 is 2x plus 1. So let's subtract this. It's going to be 3x plus 1. Just put your things in the bracket, then minus 2x plus 1. This is t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2, which is 6x minus 5 minus t2 minus 3x plus 1. And then after this, we have to remove the brackets. Then becomes 3x plus 1. Then distribute negative 1. Becomes negative 2x minus 1 is equal to 6x minus 5. Then distribute negative 1. Becomes negative 3x minus 1. Okay. So we can start by simplifying the left hand side and also simplifying the right hand side. I think it's better that way. 3x minus 2x, that is x, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, so we remain with the x there. Then 6x minus 3x, that is 3x, negative 5 minus 1, that is negative 6. And then we can transpose or subtract 3x from both sides of the equation. We get negative 2x is equal to negative 6. Then x is equal to 3 after dividing by negative 2 on both sides of the equation. Right. So we've managed to answer A. Then B says, determine the first three terms of the sequence. So we have our first term. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. So we can find our T1, B, T1, which is equal to 2x plus 1. But we know that x is 3 from our question A. So it's going to be 2 times 3 plus 1, which is 7. Then T2 is equal to 3x plus 1. Since our x is 3, so it's going to be 3 times 3 plus 1, which is 10. Then T3, which is 6x minus 5. Since our x is 3, it's going to be 6 times 3 minus 5, which is equal to 13. So it means we have 7, 10, 13 as our first three terms. Then C, determine the value of the 20th term. So C, we need to find our 20th term. Let's start with our formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. So the 20th term is going to be T20 is equal to A plus 19 d. So we have our A. We can also find our difference. 10 minus 7, that's 3. 13 minus 10, that's 3. So our D is 3. So T20 is equal to 7 plus 19 times 3. And then T20 is equal to 64.